for the little ray of hope that's coming through the sky. There we are, a little bit of blue sky in there. Not a hard edge between it and the clouds. Just break it up on the edges, just literally by touching it like that. Okay, so there's our little bit of bright blue sky. Am I out of the way? There's a nice bit of light there. Now, as I come down to these dark bits, let's make that interesting. And the way I'll do that is just to literally scumble the two together. Here we are. And it doesn't get any easier than that. And if you're not confident to paint something this loose, right, the only advice I can give you is forget the confidence, just do it. Forget confidence. Don't wait for confidence. If you wait for confidence to arrive, it won't arrive. You'll be sitting there forever. So just do it and suffer the consequences. And there aren't really any. Don't worry about it. It's either going to work or not work. That little bit of accidental light left here, which could look nice. So I'll leave that for now. Right, so I'm just going to, a general quick